Okay, pipe work for the wiring is complete. So let's start running our cables. Then we'll seal up the ceiling. So wiring is now complete. So I'm having 4 lights here. Hope it's bright enough. It will be bright enough though. Yeah, and there'll be 3 socket points. So next on the game is ceiling. So these are my bolts I'll be using to cover the top. Let's see what we can do. Okay, ceiling now complete. So wiring is now visible. So let's see how we can fix the fittings. I would like to power this place this night. So I completed the inner lighting, powered on. So like I said, 4 lights. Ooh. So I guess electrical is complete.